Intonation and rhythm. Up until now, we've focused on individual letters and sounds. But pronunciation is not just about sounds, it's also about intonation and rhythm. So, what is intonation? Intonation is the melody of your voice, the way your pitch goes up and down when you speak. And what is rhythm? Rhythm is how the syllables flow in a language. Now, here's the key difference between English and Spanish. English is stress-timed. That means some syllables are long and some are short. For example, I want to go to the store today. Some words get stretched out, others shrink. Spanish, on the other hand, is syllable-timed. Each syllable is given about the same length. For example, Yo quiero ir a la tienda hoy. Every syllable is clear and steady. Yo quiero ir a la tienda hoy. Intonation in Spanish. Spanish sentences usually have a smoother, flatter melody compared to English. But there are some patterns to remember. Yes/no questions. The voice rises at the end. For example, ¿Quieres café? WH questions. With words like ¿qué?, ¿cuándo?, ¿dónde?, the voice falls at the end. For example, ¿Dónde está el baño? Statements usually fall slightly at the end. For example, Hoy hace calor. Let's practice together. Repeat after me and pay attention to the melody. Statement: Tengo hambre. Yes or no question: ¿Tienes hambre? WH question: ¿Qué quieres comer? Rhythm practice. Now let's practice with a longer sentence. Notice how every syllable gets about the same weight. Mañana vamos a visitar a mi abuela. Now you try. Mañana vamos a visitar a mi abuela. Now you try. So remember, Spanish is syllable timed. Each syllable gets its moment. Questions rise or fall depending on the type. Keep your intonation smooth and even. It's part of what makes Spanish sound natural. In this lesson, you learned how Spanish intonation and rhythm work, and how they're different from English. Keep practicing the examples out loud until the rhythm feels natural. In the next video, we'll put everything together with some final tips and practice to help you sound even more fluent.